Having the right solution in your parts washer is crucial to efficient and effective parts cleaning. With State New Era, you'll have cleaner parts and more cost-effective maintenance. New Era's naturally derived soybean solvent quickly attacks dirt and grease on parts. Even parts with caked-on grime are easily cleaned by this powerful solvent that comes in both bulk and aerosol options.
New Era is the perfect match with State's EverClear parts washing system. Together, parts cleaning is easier and more cost-effective, saving you money. Plus, its safe, non-corrosive, non-acid formulation with low toxicity causes less skin irritation, which makes it a safer choice for you and your employees. New Era meets the requirements for use in federally inspected meat and poultry plants with NSF Certification C1 and has no added fragrances, so it is ideal for use in food handling areas. New Era, State's versatile parts washing solvent. Another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.